Okay, so yeah, my friend painted this and want me to put this on the bike. So, you know, don't take him wrong, he will get a baby soon, so we'll forgive him. But yeah, we will not put this on the bike. And we have broken parts there, so I already start brushing a little bit, much better, but needs to be done correctly. Here we have also unbroke part. Fender is a little better, but yeah, we will not put this on the bike. So I am definitely not someone that you need, you know, to listen when it's come to painting, because I don't know nothing about painting. So I'll just show you how I will do it, and you know, take your conclusions from that. We will see how it looks when I finish with this. Let's go. Okay, now we'll put this pieces on using this I will use that tool for the first time. So the trick is that you don't pull the tool when you stick this, but wait plastic to get hardened and then pull out. Generic tool. Okay, so yeah, this is my final result. It is way from perfect. Let me show you, for example, here. Should be sanded a little more, but and you can best feel under the fingers where you miss. But you know, it's way better than my friend Nicola got me this, and we are still not sure if we're gonna keep this or not on bike, so let's just do this stuff, you know, so we can register the bike, and then we will deal what we're gonna do with side panels and front fender, especially the front fender, as we will probably go with some generic metal one for this bike. I don't think that plastic one is good looking on this bike, so we'll just make it, you know, presentable for registration. Let's paint this. Here first we'll make some overlay, so you know, just touch up for other layers to have something to hold on. think we will continue this outside. And this is the final result, so not perfect but presentable, and we can go and register this bike. See you guys.